Hi guys, here we've got Motorola Moto G72 and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first let's open your phone dialer, then pick the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to, click on edit icon and select add photo. Now you can either take a photo or you can choose something from your gallery. Let me choose a photo, pick the picture that you want to apply. You can customize it however you like, you can rotate it. You can crop it, let me leave it this way, and then tap on done. Click on save, and that's it. As you can see, from now on this photo is assigned to contact, in my case to Dan, and anytime he will be calling me, I will be able to notice this picture at first. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.